Many times you are hanging with your bros, the topic comes up of where we will go on a bachelor party if one of us gets married, and we had our fair share of those discussions, and finally that day came. This guy got engaged. So that kicked off bachelor party planning. We had many long phone calls and discussed destinations from Colombia, Peru, Barcelona, Paris, Prague, Budapest, Vienna, Amsterdam, London, but then ended up booking ticket to Prague, Vienna and Budapest. But something wasn't feeling right because three of our homies couldn't travel internationally. So we cancelled those tickets and started those long phone calls again and finally decided to go to Miami for a weekend, and then we will take 6-day cruise to Cayman Islands, Honduras, Belize and Mexico.
I'm in an airport. I'm going places. I'm in an airport. I'm gonna fly.
We went to leave Miami. This guy crashed our party, played pool, had a great time at Miami Beach, had dinner and partied at Mango Tropical Cafe, saw Michael Jackson, fake one, and then checked in for our cruise. Before leaving the check-in counter, I asked them about the excursions we booked at the places we were going, and she was like, actually you are not going to those places. And we were like, what? And she handed us this paper. Thanks to the storm, our entire itinerary has changed, and after endless planning, we are going to the places we never discussed. This should be fun. Let's go.
Several days later.
This is how we do in Puerto Rico.
I thought this was supposed to be Georgetown, Cayman Islands. Turns out this is San Juan, Puerto Rico. It is a disappointment, but I guess
Not bad.
yeah, not bad. It is what it is.
The following day. Later that same evening.
Experience on road sucks.
How is the trip, guys?
Trip is good, but Anuj is not. Never ever take a trip with Anuj. Unfollow, unsubscribe.
Later that same evening.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Early the next morning.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit and love it on a daily. You say you hate your job, but you'll never
Later
leave.
that same
But
evening.
that ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands, they ain't so greasy, feel me? Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single
Several
day,
days later.
every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard.
The renovation. Due to the recession, hurricanes. You know, tourism is our number one industry.
Close my eyes, sometimes I feel as if I float away. I love the life I live and enjoy the
Barry has his own island. Nicolas Cage has his own island. Yeah. The Atlantis. The Atlantis is made up of 5 towers.
I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Yeah, Van Gogh, my earlobe. I can't hear, I'm here though. I may be a weirdo, but this is my year, yo. My life may be crazy. My lack of the lazy has let me do shit that I love on the daily. Daily, daily. Get to do the shit I love upon a daily. Daily, daily. Everybody go and live your daydreams up. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Later that same evening.
Every single day.
termina, no sé que tú, tu primer lugar conmigo.